In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or collaborating with colleagues in the office, understanding how to use Microsoft Teams for communication is essential in today's digital workplace. Let's walk through the process of making a call step by step to ensure you get the hang of it quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and head over to Microsoft Teams. You'll need to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is crucial as it grants you access to all the features Teams has to offer. If you don't have a Microsoft account set up yet, you'll want to take a moment to create one. This allows you to stay connected with your team, share resources, and smoothly collaborate on various projects. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Teams interface. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here's where you'll locate the chat option. Click on Chat to bring up all your current conversations. If this is your first visit, don't worry. Microsoft Teams makes it simple to start new conversations or jump back into ongoing discussions with just a few clicks. Now, let's find the person you want to call. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This tool is your best friend for quickly locating contacts. Simply type the name of the person you wish to connect with, and Microsoft Teams will display their contact details in moments. Alternatively, if you're in no rush, you can opt to scroll through your recent chats until you spot their name. Once you've found your contact, click on their name. This will open up your chat history with them, should there be any. No chat history? That's perfectly fine. You can still proceed with a call without any prior messages. To make an audio call, look to the top right of the chat window. You'll see a phone icon situated there. Clicking on this icon will initiate an audio call immediately, connecting you with your selected contact in mere seconds. Audio calls are perfect for quick discussions or when you're in a situation where video might not be ideal. Keep in mind, maintaining good audio equipment like a headset with a clear mic can greatly enhance the experience for both parties. And there you have it. You've successfully made a call using Microsoft Teams. With these straightforward steps, you can keep your lines of communication open and efficient in the bustling world of remote work and digital collaboration. If you encounter any issues during your call, check your internet connection and audio settings to ensure they're properly configured. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps out multiple times until you're comfortable. Happy calling!